This one the osmanthus, this one the rose. This one
First one. What was it?
First one, this one.
This one. How much?
$13.80.
And this one?
$6.50.
This, give me this.
Okay.
I am taking
This one osmanthus, huh?
This also. Give me try once more. This one. Try. देखो मैं तुम लोग को फर्मेंटेड राइस वाइन जूस पी के दिखाता हूँ। इसमें लेस देन 1% अल्कोहल होती है। ये देखो, ये बर्फ में डाल के देंगी। ये देखो, देखना, ये है फर्मेंटेड राइस वाइन जूस। बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया है, मज़ा आ गया। वेरी टेस्टी, यस।
Okay, this one,
भाई लोग, ये देसी दारू है वहाँ की, सिंगापुर की। मज़ा आ गया यार पी के। जो मेरे भाई मुझे मिल गया, मुझे वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, खजाना मिल गया, जिससे मेरे स्टॉक्स जो है मैं बहुत बढ़िया करूँगा। ये देखो, गाइड टू द स्टॉक मार्केट, इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंपनी स्टॉक एंड मेकिंग मनी फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टमेंट। इसको पढ़ के तो मैं बहुत पैसा कमाऊँगा भाई, बहुत पैसा कमाऊँगा। ये है कोरियन बूथ। इसमें ना खुद ही जाके अपने कपड़े पहन के यहाँ पे फ़ोटो खिंचा के और फ़ोटो निकाल लो। कोरियन सेल्फ फ़ोटो बूथ। इस तरह से ये फ़ोटो निकल आएगी और उसके बाद यहाँ पे टांग दो ये फ़ोटो। ऐसे करके फ़ोटो निकलेगी और ऐसे करके मिल भी जाएगी और व्हाट्सएप फेसबुक पे भी आ जाएगी। यार मैं क्या बताऊँ, इतना मज़ा आ रहा है ना यहाँ पर सिंगापुर में। सारा बस महंगा बहुत है। अगर महंगा ना होता ना तो और मज़ा आता। मैं इतनी शॉपिंग कर सकता था अगर ये महंगा ना होता। ये देखो टेबल, देखो ये देखो, खाने की टेबल, डाइनिंग टेबल, झूले लगे हुए हैं छह तरफ। हेलो, वेलकम टू सिंगापुर। टुडे वी आर चेकिंग आउट फ्रॉम आवर होटल यान which is located in the Lavender Street. This is the Hotel Yan, and just in front of a temple it is the Trivet Road, and in front of the Trivet Road is the Betty Lane. And here you can see so many different restaurants which has already opened up, and we are enjoying the beautiful morning in Singapore. Today is 28th May 2024, and today we are going to the harbour front, and which is very close to the Sentosa Island, and from there we will be enjoying in the different play areas of the Sentosa Island, which are basically for the kids, and there are remarkable tourist places. And as you can see, today it is our last day in this Lavender Street of Singapore. Wahi has taken a glass of orange juice, and now another glass is getting ready. And these oranges, 4 oranges from Australia. So Singapore does not produce their own vegetations, fruits, and these oranges have come from Australia. 4 oranges are required to make a cup of orange juice. They properly pack and dispense the orange juice. The orange juice is very tasty, and as you can see, the streets of Lavender, they are having different roads. Like this road is the Horny Road. From Horny Road straight we go to the metro station of Lavender, which is under the V Hotel. Here we are enjoying the breakfast or lunch in the Delhi Curry restaurant at the Lavender Street. There are not many Indian restaurants over here, but I have seen one more Royal Indian restaurant just half a kilometer away from here. Here there is a drinks section, and then other Chinese restaurants are there, and we are going to Delhi restaurant. Sitting in the food court of Lavender Street, as you can see, we are having our breakfast and or lunch. That is a combined time, because just now the time is 12 to 5, and we are enjoying our food in the Delhi Curry restaurant. And from here we will be moving on to the Merlion Bay, and there we will be taking few photographs of the Merlion lion, and from there we will come back, take our luggage and go to the harbour front, which is very close to the Sentosa Island, and we will be staying there for the next 2 days, from today and tomorrow. We will be enjoying in the tourist places, visiting them, visiting all the landmarks of Singapore, and everyone who wants to come to Singapore can stay in the Lavender Street. It is more Chinese street. If you are coming with children, then also you can enjoy the surroundings. ये क्वीन ऑफ वॉक हैं, जैसे कि हमारे लखनऊ में रॉयल कैफ़े के जो चाट बनाने वाले हैं वो किंग ऑफ चाट उनका नाम है, वैसे ही यहाँ पर ये क्वीन ऑफ वॉक के नाम से ये चाइनीज़ खाना बनाते हैं। ये चाइनीज़ इनका ये रेस्टोरेंट है। ये रेस्टोरेंट शाम को खुलता है। जस्ट इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट, इंडियन दिल्ली करी रेस्टोरेंट के बगल में। यहाँ पे आपको स्लाइस्ड फ़िश, बीहून, स्लाइस्ड फ़िश पॉरेज, स्लाइस्ड फ़िश सूप और ग्रुपा मीट सूप, ग्रुपा फ़िश सूप और बर्दन फ़िश, फ्राइड फ़िश सूप, ये सब मिलेगा। और भी बहुत कुछ मिलता है, फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं। तो हर जगह एक जैसी चीज़ होती है। जैसे हमारे लखनऊ में रॉयल कैफ़े वाले ने किंग ऑफ चाट को बनाया और किंग ऑफ चाट वाला के साथ फ़ोटो खिंचा के सेलिब्रिटीज़, उसी तरह से यहाँ पर ये क्वीन ऑफ वोक है। आज हम लोगों को अपनी स्ट्रीट से जाना है, लेवेंडर से जाना है। अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मर्लिन लायन देखने। मर लायन देख के फिर हम लोग निकलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन हार्बर फ्रंट के लिए, जहाँ पे हमारा नेक्स्ट होटल है। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि चाइनीज़ ड्रगिस्ट एसोसिएशन की दुकान है। ये चाइनीज़ ड्रगिस्ट एसोसिएशन, ये ड्रग्स मतलब दवाइयाँ। ये बड़ी अच्छी टोयोटा की कार है, नई कार दिख रही है टोयोटा की। टेस्ला की कार्स हैं यहाँ पर। एक्चुअली यहाँ पे चाइना में बनी हुई कारें ही आती हैं। इंडिया की वैगन आर मैंने देखी है, वो जो इंडिया की मैंने एक गाड़ी देखी है जो हमारे स्विफ्ट डिज़ायर स्विफ्ट है, स्विफ्ट देखी थी, लेकिन एक ही दिखी पूरे सिंगापुर में। तो इसका मतलब सुजुकी की जो इंडियन कार्स हैं वो बहुत कम है, चाइनीज़ कार्स बहुत सारी हैं। ये बड़ी अच्छी कार है मैसेराटी, काफ़ी महंगी गाड़ियाँ हैं। ये सब चाइना में बनती हैं। स्कूटर्स ये भी चाइना के ही हैं, या चाइना में बनने वाले। जैसे ये यामाहा का है, ये चाइना में बना हुआ स्कूटर है। तो वी आर enjoying in the streets of Singapore, in Lavender and in Private Street. We have done our breakfast over here. आज अब हम लोग लेवेंडर से लेवेंडर के मेट्रो स्टेशन तक जा रहे हैं। And as you can see, at 12 o'clock in the morning, many of the restaurants are open and few of them are closed as well. Today is 28 May 2024 and the day is Tuesday. We have tried a little of Chinese, but we have to eat 95% of our Indian food because of the taste, and the people of other countries as well, like China, Taiwan, America, they also like our taste, the taste of Indian food, in which especially the chicken, tandoori chicken and chicken curry are their favorite food. Here mostly in all the hotels and restaurants and marketplaces, everywhere beer and alcohol is available, just because the taste of their food becomes better with alcohol, and they can have a full stomach feeling just because of the beer. This is a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini नहीं है.
Which car? McLaren. This car is McLaren. थोड़ा दबाव मत डालो उसके कार पे, शीशा वीशा ना टूट जाए उसका. This is a McLaren car and Supreet is getting the photographs of on McLaren. Today is our last day in the Lavender Street, and in the Lavender Street there are many roads. One is the King George Road. We are going to Lavender metro station and we will be passing from this mall inside. Then we will reach there. There is a Kitchener complex directly. So most of the hardware stores are here. The smell of China is coming. As you can see, there is a distinct smell of China food, and because of that smell we are not able to eat that food. But everywhere people come to enjoy their morning breakfast. The Singaporean people, they come to take their morning breakfast and then take their journey to work from morning till evening, and in the evening they enjoy again with the food in these restaurants, which is their taste foods. This is called tofu. In India we call it momos. Yesterday I have eaten this bee chang hiang. This bee chang hiang is available in 3 types. As you can see, it is available in the pork, chicken and beef. I have chosen only the chicken and it was very tasty. We don't need to cook it. Eat it directly. We have come to the metro station of Rafael Palace. As you can see, the skyscraper buildings and the Fultron Hotel. This hotel is opposite lane of Marina Bay Sands, and this Raffles Place, this is a very good place to enjoy the evening. We are going to see the Merlion. Everywhere there are some very unique restaurants, and in those unique restaurants people come to have their breakfast. Here opposite to this lane is the museum. As you can see, some people are jogging. The time it should be around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and people are jogging and enjoying their stay in Singapore. Wahi and Supreet are also enjoying here. Here, these sculptures are showing the ancient civilization of the Chinese people or the Singaporean people. And we love to see the culture of the Singapore. इधर से चले भाई, इसके अंदर चले, पुल क्रॉस करके चले भाई। हाँ, पुल क्रॉस करके चले, चलो।
में फोन लो आप लो।
यहाँ से अरे रोड के उधर ही तो निकलेंगे भाई, वहीं निकलेंगे वो वाली प्लेस पे, आ जाओ। From the Rafael metro station, we have come to this beautiful museum opposite the Fultron Hotel. Here there are very unique architectures. As you can see, so many different architectural buildings with their museums for the people of Singapore. And we were going to the Merlion. Here people are enjoying the beautiful scenery and garden areas of Singapore, and so many skyscraper buildings. We are in Singapore and very close to the Marina Bay Sands. Here there is a hotel which is the Fultron Hotel, and we will go inside this hotel. In Singapore, they are keeping an eye on everyone with the help of the helicopters. And now we are going to the Merlion. Definitely it will be a very beautiful place where the Merlion is very close to the Fultron Hotel, and we will enjoy the landscape, beautiful landscape of Fultron and Merlion. So many high-rise buildings and skyscrapers. I can see the Merlion, and this Merlion is on the opposite side of the Marina Bay Sands. There in front, there is the Merlion. I have to go over there by crossing this road, and for crossing this road I have to wait for the signal. Whoever comes to Singapore, they have to do two things before coming to Singapore. First thing is they have to practice of walking with a little load on their shoulders, because here walking is required, and because too much walking is required. And the second thing is that you bring your cards, Visa, Master, and check that they are working in Singapore, because it is easier, it will be easier for you to spend more on shopping. And now we have come to this beautiful Merlion. We have come to see this Merlion from India, and this Merlion is the symbol of Singapore, with the Singapore circle, and this museum made by Marina Bay Sands. Today we have come to see this beautiful city of Singapore, and this is the Merlion Park. The Merlion has stood as a symbol of Singapore as well as an icon of welcome to the visitors since 1972. It was formally unveiled at the new Vantage Point on 15 September 2002 by Senior Minister Mr. Lee Kuan Yew. Sculptor Lim Nang Seng. At the back you can see a very beautiful design building behind the Merlion, and this Merlion, this Singapore circle, this beautiful museum in the shape of a flower, and this very beautiful Marina Bay Sands hotel. On the top there is a boat type structure where they have a big swimming pool, and the skyscrapers of the beautiful Singapore, and the visitors place. Here visitors from all over the world come with their friends, families, and enjoy the vacation, the food, the different types of cuisines, eat and enjoy